The lucrative yet perilous profession of skyscraper window washing with an annual salary of $50,000 is coming up next. Stay with us for an exclusive look into this high altitude occupation where the stakes are as towering as the buildings themselves. Discover the balance between the financial rewards and the daunting hazards these workers face every day. High-rise window cleaning is an art that combines dexterity, meticulousness, and bravery. The individuals who embrace this line of work aren't just simple cleaners. They're the daredevils of the cityscape, deftly traversing the sheer glass facades that cloak our metropolis's lofty edifices. Join us as we delve into the lives of these unsung heroes who ensure our skyscrapers sparkle, all while balancing on the edge of the earth and the sky. Financial rewards and opportunities. High-rise window cleaning is a profession that requires a unique set of skills and a high tolerance for risk, which is reflected in the compensation these professionals receive. The earnings of these specialists can fluctuate significantly, influenced by factors such as geographical locations, level of experience, and the size of the employing company. On average, a high-rise window cleaner can expect to earn an annual income of around $33,107. However, with time and the acquisition of advanced skills, this figure can rise, potentially reaching up to $56,260. For those with an entrepreneurial mindset, the prospect of owning a window cleaning business presents an opportunity for even greater financial rewards. Risks and challenges. The hazards associated with high-rise window cleaning are as immense as the skyscrapers these professionals service. The fatality rate in this line of work is estimated to be 10 times higher than the average occupation, underscoring the significant risks involved. These risks are diverse and complex. Strong winds can quickly turn a routine cleaning job into a dangerous situation, and the constant threat of falling is a serious concern despite the implementation of rigorous safety measures. However, the challenges faced by these workers aren't solely physical. The captivation of the profession. Despite the inherent risks, the occupation of a high-rise window cleaner possesses an irresistible appeal. This job provides an unparalleled perspective that only a few can claim to have experienced. A bird's eye view of the city's rhythm, a silent ballad performed hundreds of feet above the ground. This profession requires not just physical agility, but also a certain mental strength. The capability to maintain concentration while hanging high in the air, the gratification that comes from bringing transparency to a piece of the sky, one window at a frame. For those contemplating this career path, it's crucial to balance the attractive compensation against the potential dangers. This profession demands a special combination of bravery, expertise, and a love for heights. Those who embrace this challenge become part of a distinguished group, the unsung heroes who keep our cityscapes gleaming. This profession is not for the faint-hearted. It requires a unique blend of courage, skill, and a passion for heights. Those who answer this call can find themselves part of an elite group, the unsung heroes who ensure our city skyline sparkle. They're the ones who brave the heights and the elements, all for the satisfaction of a job well done and the appreciation of those who enjoy the clear views from their high-rise buildings. It's not just about the money, but also about the passion for the job and the willingness to take on the associated risks. Those who thrive in this profession find the rewards, both financial and personal, to be well worth the challenges they face. Join our vibrant community by subscribing to our channel for the latest updates and amazing content. Tap that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay in the loop.